Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your computer science class. So let us see what we have to study today. Today we will be learning about slide organization in PowerPoint from lesson number 8. So let us have a look at the topics we have to study today. Today we will be studying about changing the slide layout. Then we'll study about editing text objects. Then we'll learn how to move and copy the objects from one place to another. Then we'll study about deleting and how to insert text objects. Then we'll study rearranging slides in outline tab and the slide sorter view. These are the two places where we learn how to rearrange these slides. Then we'll study how to insert clip art, word art and shapes into our presentations. Then we learn about how to rotate and resize a picture, shape, text or objects. Then we'll study how to apply shadow effect to our picture or the text or the objects. Okay, so these are the topics we have to study today. Okay, so let us start the lesson today, children. So our first topic is changing the slide layout. Let us see how to change the slide layout. Come to the normal view. Okay, normal view we can come with the help of the escape button also. Okay, now changing the slide layout. We can see this is a blank layout. Okay, this slide is blank where I have written few points. Okay, now what I'll do is that I'll go to the view tab. Click on the view tab. Okay, from the view tab, click on the slide sorter view. Okay, from the slide sorter view, select the desired slide. Suppose this slide I am selecting. Okay, after selecting the slide, go to the home tab. Go to the home tab, click on the layout button. Okay, from the layout button, select the desired layout. Okay, now you can see the desired changes. This way you can see the changes are made here. Control Z and come back to your original position. Now to come back to the normal view, what I'll do? Click on the view tab. Again click on the normal button from the presentation views. Okay. So this way we have come to the normal view. Now next is editing text object. Come to the next slide. Okay. I have written a thought for you, give more than you get. Children, giving brings happiness than receiving. So always think of giving more to others than receiving from others. Okay. So few points also I have written for you so that you may better understand the meaning of give more than you get. Giving teaches responsibility. Giving is worship. The more you give, the more you have. Giving makes you happy. Okay, these are the few sentences I have written, few points I have written for you to explain the meaning. Okay, now we will study about editing text. Okay, so to editing text, what I'll do is that select the slide within which the text you have written, you want to make the changes. Okay, now come to the slide and click on the slide. After clicking on the slide, you will get a placeholder. Placeholder is a dotted rectangular box. From here, you can select the text and make the changes. Select the text, entire text and click on the format button. Okay, from the format button, you will click on the text effect. Okay, now see here. See the changes made over here. Okay, this is 3D rotation. You can apply to your text. So this is editing text. You can apply reflection also. Okay, so children, this is about editing text. I hope you all understood. Now next topic come to is we will learn about moving and copying the objects. Our next topic will be what? Moving and copying the objects. How to move and copy the objects. So to perform any action, what we do is that first of all we select the text with the help of the shift and the arrow key. See here. Okay, shift and the arrow key. I will select this particular text. Okay, after selecting this, what I'll do is that I will press Ctrl plus X key Okay, now after pressing this Control plus X key, it is the short form of cut. Okay, now the text has disappeared from the screen. What I'll do next is I will bring the cursor where I want to paste it. Then I will press Ctrl plus V to paste the text. You can see the same text, the same line which was in the beginning, it has now come at the last point. Okay, so this is moving the object or the text. Okay, Control plus Z and come back to your original position. Now we'll learn how to copy the objects. Okay, Control plus Z. Okay, so this we have come to the original position. Now next is copying the object. Now again I will select this text. Let me select this one now. Okay, that giving is worship. So select this text. Okay, now Control plus C. Okay, you can see there is no change. The text is only copied. It has not disappeared from the screen. I will come down, bring the cursor down and press Ctrl plus V. You can see the text has again been copied to the next place. So this is about moving or copying the object. Now how to delete the particular text or object? Place the cursor within placeholder, select the placeholder or the text which you want to delete and press the backspace key. It will be deleted from your screen. Now Ctrl plus Z and come back to your original position. Okay, so this was copying, moving and deleting. Now next topic is inserting text box. Come to the next slide. We will learn how to insert text box, clip art and word art. Okay, so inserting text box, what I will do, go on the insert tab. Then on the insert tab you will get illustrations group. From the illustrations group you can see here clip art button is there, inserting text box is there, word art is there, everything is there. So from the insert tab go to the text group. Okay, come to the text group. In the text group you will get text box option over here. Click on the text box option and a line will appear. Okay, this four-headed arrow is used for dragging the complete square or the dragging handle placeholder to your desired place. Okay, now you can write here anything. Good morning. So this is about inserting text box. Next come to inserting clip art. Again go to the insert tab, then from the clip art button on the illustrations group click on the clip art. Okay, then suppose if I have written here fruit, any fruit or any flower if you want to insert, write the name of the desired picture. Clip art is a gallery of picture, children, from where you can select the whatever the picture you want to insert in your slide. So suppose if I have written here fruit, whatever the fruit I want to insert and click on go. So here you will get the desired fruit. Whatever the fruit you want to select from here, you can select it and click on the insert button from the dialog box. Okay, now you can drag it and arrange it on your screen as per your choice. So this was about inserting the clip art. Okay, this is inserting clip art. Our next topic is how to working with word art. Okay, so again go to the insert tab, click on the word art. Okay, after clicking this, see here, click on this and remove it. You can write here fruit. You can bring it to the desired place. Drag it with the help of the dragging handle and you can this way we can insert it here and we can place our fruit over here. So this way children we studied about how to insert text box, how to insert clip art and how to work with word art. Okay, suppose this changes I have made here. Okay, now from the format button what I'll do, I can make the changes over here. Now text effect you can make here, see, 3D rotation. Okay, you can make it glow this way. Okay, see, you can notice the changes here. So this way we can work with word art. Okay, that is how to beautify our text. Now let us come to the next topic, that is inserting shapes, how to resize the shapes, how to rotate the shapes, and how to rotate the text and the objects. Okay, then finally we'll learn about how to apply shadow effect. Okay, then go on the insert tab. From the insert tab, click on the shapes button. Okay, then from here you can take any picture, suppose this one. This one I have selected. Okay, now after selecting this, go to the format button. You can fill it with your choice. See here, texture, see, these are the textures. You can make the changes. Okay, so this way you can make. Then next is, you can also apply shape effects, like you can make it glow. See here, you can make it glow. Then you can also fill it with shape outline. See here, see, this way you can make. This is working with shapes. You can fill it with more picture, also texture. You can see here, you can make it gradient also. How to make it gradient? See here, this way you can make it gradient. So this is all about inserting the shapes. Then how to resize the shape, children. How to resize the shape? This way you can resize the shape by dragging with the help of the dragging handle. Four-headed arrow is used to move the complete picture on the screen. Okay, now see here, dragging, this is the rotating handle. This is used to move the complete picture. This way you can rotate. This is the rotation. Okay. Now see here, this way you can rotate this one also. Okay. Now suppose if you want to make changes into this. Okay. Suppose I have written here inserting shapes, resizing the shapes, and how to rotate it. So what I'll do is that I'll go to the text effect. Okay. For the shape I will go to the shape effect. For the text I will go to the text effect. Remember this. Okay. So from the text effect I will go to the, see here. See here, reflection. Suppose I'm coming to reflection. Okay, you can see the reflection, how it can be applied. See, you can notice the reflection over here. See, this is the reflection. Okay, let us see further what the modifications we can make here. See here, I'm selecting this complete line. Okay, now come to the text effect. Okay, now the text effect, you can see here, reflection we have already studied. Glow, see here, this is glow. Okay, then next is transform. See here, see here, this way we can make the changes. Okay, so this is about inserting, working with styles and objects. So this was our lesson, children, slide organization in PowerPoint. Today we studied about how to rearrange the slides in the slide sorter view. Now see how to come to the slide sorter view, children. Come to the slide sorter view. Okay, in the slide sorter view, on the view tab, click on view tab, click on the slide sorter view. Okay, now if you want to rearrange the slides in the slide sorter view, what I'll do is that I'll simply click on the particular slide. Suppose this slide I'm clicking, I will drag it to the respective place. It will be changed. See here, this way I can rearrange the slides in the slide sorter view. Okay, this is the rearranging the slides in the slide sorter view. Same way, children, in the normal view, if you want to make the changes in the outline tab, what you will do is that See here, this is the outline tab. How will you rearrange the slides? Click on the view tab. On the view tab, come to the normal button. Okay. Then suppose this slide, if you want to place it at the first position, I will place it like this. CV. Okay, so this way we can make the changes in the arrangement of the slides in the slide sorter view and the outline tab. Okay, this way. So Control Z and come back to the original position. So this way, children, we studied about how to change this slide layout. We studied about editing the text object, moving the text object, how to copy, how to insert text box, how to rearrange the slides in the slide sorter view and the outline tab. So this was all about, children, today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson. So go through the lesson, practice what I have taught you today, children. See you all in the next video. Till then, practice, stay safe and stay happy.